Hey, how you doing, economics students? This is Mr. Clifford. Welcome to ACDC Econ. Today I'm standing in Washington, D.C. at the Federal Reserve to talk to you about monetary policy and the Fed. Being at the Fed is awesome for an economist. It's kind of like that scene from Rocky. Yes, the Fed. Federal Reserve. Ooh, what? Fed. Monetary policy. What? Inflation? You want that inflation? Inflation in the face! First question is, what is the Fed? The Fed is an institution that regulates and oversees the nation's banks. Created back in 1913, the Federal Reserve System is designed to make sure the banks are healthy by making sure they have adequate reserves and giving them loans if they need help. The goal is to promote faith in our banking system to avoid panics and bank runs. The 7-member Board of Governors works in this building and oversees the entire system. A key responsibility of the Federal Reserve is to make sure the nation's banks...
Here.
Okay, I hear you, lady, okay? I am going to videotape here, whether you like it or not. Pretty sure that was Janet yelling. She's yelling at me. Yelling. Hey, get it? Yeah, she's yelling. There's also 12 regional banks that serve different districts. The bank in New York is the most important because they're the ones to do open market operations, which is the buying and selling of bonds to increase or decrease the money supply. Remember, the goal of the Fed is to regulate the nation's banks, but it's also to conduct monetary policy. When the Fed wants to help stimulate the economy, they'll buy bonds, which will increase the money supply, lowering interest rates, and will increase investment in consumption. To fight inflation, the Fed might sell bonds, which would decrease the money supply. This would increase interest rates and slow down consumption and investment. So the Federal Open Market Committee does just that. They decide if we should buy or sell bonds to increase and decrease the money supply. That's called monetary policy. Don't get super confused. I'll explain more of this stuff and we'll draw some graphs later. Now, obviously, I'm well known around here because I made all these YouTube videos. So I'm going to go ahead inside and I'll check you guys out later. They've never heard of me. Until next time.